Today, Metal Solution USA introduces to you the surveillance and lighting devices that can be installed on our camera, light poles products. Number 1, Camera System. We can connect to intermediate devices such as network video recorder, power over Ethernet switch. And we can connect the signal wire through the hand hole behind the column. Number 2, Lighting System. And we can connect the signal wire through the hand hole at the bottom of the column. Number 3, Solar System. Number 4, Strobe Light, Horn Speaker. Above are some devices that can be installed on the camera, light poles. In addition, we can also install according to customer requirements. For any information, please contact us via our website or hotline below.